Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about the second thing that happens to your brain when you dance. And it's that dancing will make you more intelligent. So there are different theories about intelligence, but it has to do with abstract thinking and reasoning, with problem solving, with the ability to understand complex ideas, the ability to acquire new knowledge, with the ability to learn from experience and adapt to changing environments. So what happens to your brain is that your brain evaluates several responses and chooses one. So the way Jean Piaget puts it, it's like in simple words, he explains that the essence of intelligence is making decisions. So in order for you to improve your mental acuity, your sharpness, you need to get involved in a fast-paced activity that requires a speedy decision making. And dancing is one of them. Because for instance, if you're dancing foxtrot or quick step or tango or cha-cha, you need to be answering the questions like which way to turn, how fast your body needs to go, how you're going to react to your partner's movements. So dancing is an excellent way to maintain and to enhance or boost your intelligence. So now you know it. Dancing will make you more intelligent. Thanks for watching. Bye.